Hello, this is my third technology that I want to share with you. It's called Jamboard. This one, I just learned about it last week in a conference that I went. It was a digital conference right now with the social distancing. And it's very interesting. I really liked it. So it's part of the Google family, so it's easy to access. You can go through the web page or you can go through the little waffle. You find it down here. It might be in a different place, and I already started playing with it, so here's my first creation. And you can use it as a whiteboard, you can use it with Google Meet, and you can give your students access to, you can share it with them, and you can also have them edit it, and that way you can all work together in a collaborative project. There's a lot of things that you can do. The background, you can start with the background. You can change it to different types depending on what you're going to use it for. You have a black, or I'm going to use the white one. And then over here you have the pen, and you can change colors or change it to a marker or a paintbrush, whatever you want. So I'm gonna and students really like to use this. If you have the iPad, they can do it with their finger or whatever, depending on the device that you have. If you don't like it, you can erase it. If there's an eraser, you can erase part of it, all of it. You can also add sticky notes. This is one of the fun parts of it. You can change colors on the sticky notes, and you can write your question of the day or whatever you want. You can move it around, you can make it big, and you can have them add their sticky notes to answer. You can also add pictures. As you saw there, I already add one. So here you can go through Google Images or your Google Drive or your photos, and you can upload it. Very simple, very easy. And you can have multiple slides, frames. So if you need to go back to this one, you can go back. If you need more, you can add more. And as I said at the beginning, you can share it. So it's very fun. There's a lot of things that you can do with this. I'm hoping to keep playing with it and find more things where I could use it. So I hope you like it too. Thank you.